Hi guys, so today's gonna be a quick swatch video because I'm very excited to say that Lip IV has come out with some new shades. So that is NYX. If you guys aren't familiar, oh my gosh, it's one of my favorite lip products. It is a stain gloss balm for your lips. It leaves a stain and they came out when it wears off, but it's a beautiful gloss by itself, very hydrating. They came out with 4 new colors. I got 3 of them. There was a magenta dark purple color that I wasn't really feeling, so I didn't pick that one up, but I did get these 3 and we're gonna try these on. So, hello, if you're new here, hello, my name is Josie. I put new videos out here on my channel every week, and if you are into any kind of beauty lifestyle videos that you like to watch in your daily routine, I would hope that you maybe will check out the rest of my videos and maybe hit that subscribe button. So, let's jump into this. I'm gonna remove what I have on my lips now. All right, there we go. We'll go lightest to darkest, which I believe is gonna be the pink, the nude, the red. So, the Petal Poppin, we're gonna open it up here. That's a really pretty color. To the lips. That's a really pretty pink shade. It's more of like a nudie pink. If you guys didn't know this is one of my favorite formulas because it really does truly plump up the lips with hydration, and then also it stains the lips the longer you wear it. So even if it rubs off while you're eating or throughout the day, it still leaves a really pretty stain that you could just toss a gloss over if you would like a clear gloss. But I just, honestly, what I do is I just reapply the product. There is Petal Poppin. All right, and just so you guys know, it usually stains just a little bit lighter of whatever version you have on your lips. Okay, this is the Drippin' Nude. I love the smell of these too, weirdly. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Definitely not going with the lip or the look that I am wearing right now, but that's okay. This would look gorgeous with a bronze eye look. Ooh, it's so pretty. If you are into warmer nudes, you'll love this. Okay, so this is Drippin' Nude. Okay, and then we're gonna go into the Cherry Drenched. Ooh, okay. But this is still a very wearable red. This is definitely more of a, it is, I would say, a true red, like a true neutral red, but it is a little bit lighter, so it is bright. Still really pretty though. This is Cherry Drenched. Very pretty on the lips. I am going to actually go back in with the pink one. Ooh, that one's already staining. And we had it on for like a minute. I really like that color, guys. All right, so that is it for this it's not a tutorial. It's more of just a swatch video. They feel exactly like the original formula, which is one of my favorites. I can feel that it's so moisturized. You can almost feel it on the lips. I think it's from, I think that like hyaluronic acid feeling of a lip plumper, which I prefer. It's a beautiful feeling and I love how moisturizing they are. I am excited to add these to my collection. So there we are. Those are 3 of the 4 new shades from the NYX Cosmetics Lip IV line. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to become part of the Glam Fam, and I will see you in my next video. I love y'all. Bye.